Tanner Clark, Joseph Coucher, Taylor Robinson, and Jesse Madison. Gate drops down. It looks like Taylor Robinson out in front. Robinson out in front. Coucher in the 2. The 5-12. Clark in the 3. Robinson, Coucher, Clark, Madison. We're taking 2. Looks like Robinson, and the race is for, it looks like the 5-12 of Clark will transfer out. Coucher slipping a pedal there.